welcome to another video about screen printing by Catspit Productions. Today, I just wanted to show you a quick look at the RANAR Job Cart. Alright, but first, thanks a lot for clicking on my video today. I appreciate your time and attention. If you like the videos, make sure to subscribe to YouTube. And of course, you can get a lot of the products featured in these videos, like the job cart we're talking about today, at Screenprintsupply.com. You can check out current pricing and product description information, shipping information, all that kind of stuff at Screenprintsupply.com. All right, so just wanted to give you a little close-up look at the RANAR Job Cart. It holds 13 screens and it has a recessed type tray, so you can see the, nothing will fall off because it sits inside this tray. And let's take a close-up look at it. Okay, so I'm just going handheld here, so we have a different mic on here. Probably sounds different as usual. But here's a close-up look at the RANAR Job Cart. So you can see the recessed tray on top where you can hold ink scoops, spatulas, paperwork, pens, pencils, tape, what have you. And then it holds 13 screens. And it can fit, of course, 20 by 24 screens and then 23 by 31. See, I put one in there for you. So the 23 by 31 sticks out a little bit on either side, but it's still, you can still use it for both if you like. It has casters, so it rolls around the shop really easily. And it's a, nice powder coat baked finish that's very durable. And it's actually pretty easy to put together. There's the two side parts, 4 crossbars, and the top tray. And then, of course, the casters. All right, so here's the recessed tray. Up close, I have some samples of the Amex ink in there. Again, it's pretty simple to put together. 4 crossbars, 4 casters, 2 side pieces, and then the top tray. So, yeah, there's not much to it. It's very simple. Very cool little unit. Just figured I would show you what it looks like up close. There's the 23 by 31 screen, so you can see it sticks out a little bit on either side. That's a 20 by 24 as we move up. And yeah, if you need a little job cart, or if you're looking for a really small rack to make into your light safe drying box, this would be really cool. So you can see the rails, or the slats or slots or whatever, the racks, they're welded, they're spot welded on there, so you don't have a bunch of bolts to put those together on this particular unit. Alright, and yeah, it's available at Screenprintsupply.com, of course. Alright, so that's pretty cool. It's a very cool mini screen rack with the ability to have stuff on top, so you could use it for actual, like a job cart, which is what it's supposed to be. In a bigger shop, you might get your screens, that a couple of jobs maybe. This could hold certainly probably a couple of jobs worth of screens, even with a multicolor, right? And then your paperwork and inks on top, and then you roll them over to the press. You could also box this bottom portion in and use it as a, kind of like a light safe drying cabinet. So in other words, like the same thing I did with my big rack, which is, much taller, you could figure out a way to vent, right? And do a similar thing with this, I think. So it's a very cool little screen rack, job cart, pretty handy, casters, the whole 9 yards. And you can check out the current pricing, of course, at Screenprintsupply.com in the screen rack section of the e-commerce site. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. You can always email me through the website or give me a call. All right, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching today, and of course, we will see you next time.